Well, a lot of you want to learn English but you don't know where to start from. Well, this is really disturbing because you don't know what to do, and even if you know what to do, you don't know how to do. Some suggest joining English speaking courses while some suggest reading books. Well, this is not how it will help you. I'm Prashant, and in this video I'm going to be very helpful for you and for your journey of speaking English. Yes, in this particular video I will help you understand how you should start learning English. The first thing you need to aim at is communication skills, not English. You will not sound fine speaking English if you don't have the right communication skills. As language skills are divided into 4 parts: listening, speaking, reading and writing. I will be guiding you how you can work on 2 of them, listening and speaking. Let's move to the first and the most important, listening. It is the first skill through which we start the journey of learning a new language. The more you listen to the English content, the more you improve. But do keep in mind, if you choose something that you don't like, it will not help you. For example, if you don't like listening to news channel, but still you choose to listen, you will soon quit listening to it. It should not feel like pressure, like I have to do this, I need to do this, as if I'm given a task. No, choose what you can do for longer times. Choose what you enjoy. Tip number 1, listening to English music. Because when you start listening to English music, you do not even realize that you are studying English. But deep inside, you're learning some new words with their correct pronunciation. And not only words, also their use in proper sentences and phrases. Well, now some of you might say that we don't understand English music. Well, nobody does. Nobody understands anything at first. You need to make it your hobby. Let me tell you how I worked on my listening skills. I listened to Enrique Iglesias. He was more into lyrics. Tip number 2. Another thing you can do to improve your listening skills is listening to podcasts. A podcast can be a conversation, a story, or anything in audio format. If you face any difficulty, suppose you don't understand it, so you can do one thing there: repeat the same podcast again and again so that you can work on your listening comprehension skills. Tip number 3. YouTube can be the best way for improving listening skills. It's very simple. Choose what you enjoy. If it is possible, watch it in English. If you enjoy stand-up comedies, stories, motivational videos, or English with Prashant, watch it in English. It will resolve your language barrier. What I will not suggest is watching English movies, because it is very simple. English is a language, language is a skill, and skill require practice. Practice means repetition. So if you can watch a movie again and again, so English movies can be very helpful to you. But generally, nobody can watch a movie again and again. So listening to music and podcasts are the best way for improving your listening skills. Let's now talk about speaking skill. Well, there are 2 steps for speaking. The first is knowing the language and the second is speaking. Well, if you don't know English, I mean if you face trouble in framing sentences or sending messages in English, then you need to work a little bit upon the basic concepts of English grammar. But if you can write English sentences but you face problem in speaking, then let me tell you, practice is the only possible solution for you. There's a very simple method that can help you in this case. Like, we are habitual of saying good morning, how are you, I'm sorry, congratulations. Everyone has some common sentences of their own. If you can increase the number of your common sentences, it's completely fine to keep your ratio of 90% Hindi or your mother tongue and 10% of English, and slightly increase the number and slightly increase the percentage of English in your speech. And if you don't have anyone to talk, it's completely fine. Talk alone. Ask yourself a few questions like, how was your day? And you don't have to speak the truth. You can say whatever comes in your mind. Like, it was a nice day, I enjoyed the day. I was so busy in work that I didn't realize how the day ended up. Like what I'm doing right now is simply talking to a camera. There is no one to talk to me right there. Okay, there is no one to ask me a few questions about English. Nobody is asking me how to improve your communication skills. I'm simply teaching a camera, and that's how you have to do it. And second thing you can do is singing your favorite songs, not publicly but privately. No matter how bad you sound, singing songs will give you the right confidence. It will help you practice the correct pronunciation of English words and the correct flow of sentences. See, nothing is free and time is money. You will get skills if you pay time. You will get nothing if you pay nothing. By doing ordinary things, you will get ordinary results. By doing extraordinary things, you will get extraordinary results. It's simple. If you have anything you want to ask, do write in the comment section. I will try my best to reply there. And if this video has helped you in any way, do like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.